Children of God, how many Lazarus are in the Bible? There are actually two well-known figures named Lazarus in the New Testament. One appears in a parable told by Jesus about a poor man named Lazarus who sat at the gate of a rich man. That Lazarus represented the suffering poor who later found comfort in God's presence. The other Lazarus is the one we hear about in the gospel story today. He was a real person and a close friend of Jesus. He lived in the village of Bethany with his sisters Martha and Mary. Their home was a place where Jesus often stayed when he visited the area. Lazarus became seriously ill and eventually died. His sisters sent word to Jesus, hoping he would come quickly. But when Jesus arrived, Lazarus was already in the tomb for 4 days.